Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to enable keyboard typing custom sound on Windows 10 or 11. So in this case, uh, open a new Chrome browser, mic vibes, make vibes, this one. Click on first link, make vibes. Now you'll find here download option, click on download. Scroll down and now just click on this microvibe setup.exe. Now download it in your device, select the path and start downloading. Hold on, I'll be right back. Now click on open folder, then double click on this folder. Now click on next, go here, browse, select the drive. Okay, now hold on, now click on install. Finish. After that it will open automatically. You can see here many types of sounds. If you click on drop down, all of the sounds, like I'm choosing the best first one. Let's see how it sounds. You see here, right? Sound. If I choose the another, you can see here now. Now click on EG audio. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.